Hey guys, welcome to TradersEndGame. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most profitable trading strategy that you have ever come across in the trading industry. So this strategy is one of the most profitable trading strategy. It's called Larillion's percentage. So this strategy is one of the most profitable strategy because once you know uh, how to use the strategy, trust me guys, you will be profitable. So before further ado, I don't want this video to waste much of time. It's going to be 10 minutes, so let me quickly uh show you how the strategy works. Sorry guys for not posting for more than a month now. I was so much busy, so that is just the reason. I'm a trader, so sorry guys for not posting. I promise I will keep on sharing different strategy from henceforth now. So I want you to stay tuned to this channel. Make sure anytime I upload the video, make sure you watch. So let's may continue. So this strategy is one of the most profitable strategy, like I said. So for you to become a profitable trader, you have to know these three rules. These three rules. The first rule is that you must know the time frame you are going to be trading. What time frame are you going to be trading? Are you going to be trading the daily time frame, or are you going to be trading the 4-hour time frame? But however, number two rule is that you have to understand what candle are you going to be trading. Are you going to be trading the daily candlestick, or are you going to be trading the 4-hour candlestick? So it all depends. So this is a scalping strategy. You can use it as a scalping strategy or a day trading strategy. This strategy is proven to be one of the most profitable strategy you have ever seen in the trading industry. So let me show you how it works. First of all, before you look into the strategy, this strategy has three elements, which is the 4-hour candle strategy and the 15M chart. So we have the William percentage arrow, which I'm going to talk about, 15 minutes engulfing candlestick. So you understand what I'm saying. So let me show you an example. Imagine we are going to be looking for a buying scenario. The first thing we are going to be doing is that we have to make sure that our previous candlestick on the 4-hour is bullish. So if it's bullish, this signifies that we are going to be looking for a profitable trade from henceforth. You understand what I'm saying? So look at it very well. So imagine you are looking for a way to buy. Are you getting what I'm saying? You're looking for a way to buy, and you notice that the previous candlestick is bullish. So what will you do at this point? The first thing you must understand that you need to wait for the next 4-hour candlestick to open. So during that 4-hour candlestick to open, however, on the 15-minute time frame, this is going to be the 4-hour. Let me just make it clear. So it's going to be the 4-hour candle. So this is going to be the 4-hour. So this 4-hour candlestick is going to be bullish, which is the previous candlestick on the 4-hour. So what you are going to do you are going to go to your 15-minute chart. You're going to look for when price is making short-term swings going to as a bearish when looking for a buying scenario. We're talking about the buying scenario now. So the opposite is for selling scenario. So once you notice this point, you have to notice that there's going to be William percentage arrow, which is going to be oversold. So the William percentage arrow, which is the William percentage arrow indicator, is going to be extreme oversold at this point. So once the probability about this trade is that once the William percentage arrow is oversold and price hit maybe 15-minute order block, or um the 1-hour order block, because I'm going to show you how this strategy is going to be profitable. Just stay tuned. So once price hits this 15 minutes order block, when the 15 minutes is bearish and the winner percentage arrow is also signifying oversold condition at this instance. So what do you need to do at this point? You have to go to your 5-minute time frame. Are you getting what I'm saying? You have to go to your 5 minute time frame and look for MSS, which is the market structure shift, which is market structure shift, or you look for the Lariat TC, which I normally talk about in this channel, which is a Lariat trend change. So you look for it and price retrace into a little bit, or you can just buy at the breakout and you just target the next 4-hour candle swings. So you understand what I'm saying? So this strategy is very simple. I don't want you to think that this strategy is not profitable. This strategy is one of the most profitable strategy you have ever seen in the trading industry. If you notice, let me come again. The 4-hour candlestick is the previous 4-hour candlestick is bullish. You wait for the 15-minute time frame to show a little short-term swings, and you have to wait that let the Williams percentage arrow indicator to be oversold. Once it's oversold, you look for the 5-minute time frame to shift bullish at this point as a break of low. So once that is done, you enter the market. From there, either you enter at the 15 minutes or you enter at 5 minutes market structure shift. So you understand what I'm saying? So it's very simple. Either you use the 5 minutes market MSS shift or the Lariat TC at the 5 minute time frame, or you use the 15 minutes coffee candlestick. So I'm going to show you how this works on our chart. So let me show you example. So I'm not going to share this strategy. I already show you example of it, the way you are going to be trading this strategy. So I'm going to mark it on my chart. I'm going to show you at the back end. So this is going to be the example one. Look at it. This is going to be our example one. Our previous 4-hour candlestick was bearish. So if you zoom further and you zoom, you notice that our previous candlestick was bearish. So what do you do? At this point? Look at our previous 4-hour candlestick was bearish. So however, that is it. Once our previous candlestick was bearish, what do you do at this point? You go to your 15-minute time frame, which is, we're going to use this example one, which is the bearish scenario. We are still going to use this example. This is going to be example two on the bullish scenario. So if you notice, however, this our previous candlestick was not bullish, but however, look at what I'm saying. However, this was a bullish candlestick, but this bearish candlestick could not engulf this. So this strategy is also valid. You understand what I'm saying? So look at what I'm saying. So remember, we're going to enter at this point. Like I said, look at. So I'm going to enter at this point. And let me quickly go to the 15-minute candle, 15-minute chart. Let me show you how it's being worked, how the strategy worked. So look at what I was saying. So before, let me quickly bring out my indicator, which is the Williams percentage arrow. Look at what I'm saying. Do you see the Williams percentage arrow was overbought? So however, I was talking about a bullish scenario, but this is a bearish scenario. I just give you the recent setup that just occurred, so that you will know that this strategy is not maybe you use it and start losing, to be a profitable strategy. So no further discussion. If you have anything you are going to ask me at the comment section. Anything, any trading advice you want to ask me at the comment section. Ask me at the comment section. You are free to ask me at the comment section. So anything about the strategy you don't really understand, just message me at the comment section. I'm going to reply your comment. So let me quickly show you this. What's happened at this point. If you notice, like I said, there's 15-minute MSS short term moving to the upward. I get what I'm saying. So it's kind of going bullish. So what happened at this point? Know that we have we notice that our 15M overbought. Know that it's a bearish setup, so it's overbought. What do you do at this point? You're going to be looking for a way to say no to this market. You don't need to say no to this market. you have to say yes, not say no. Say yes to this market. You have to look for a way to say yes to this market. What do you do? However, look at what I'm saying. This this is a breaker block if you classify it the ICT concept. But however, this is not ICT concept. I just give you a simple strategy without using the ICT concept. So it's very simple. Now you look for 15 minutes engulfing bearish engulfing candlestick. Look at, you could not find any 15 minutes engulfing candlestick at this point, bearish engulfing candlestick. But however, you have it here. So imagine, look at where the 15 minutes bearish engulfing candlestick came into place. What do? You enter at this point, you look for 3 to 1 or 2 to arrow. So that is it. That is the first setup. Look at the second setup. Look at what I'm saying. So if you notice, like what I told you, that we have to make sure, that our 15 minutes time frame is giving us good direction, like giving us a shorter swings bearish when we are looking for a bullish scenario. You understand what I'm saying? So sorry if I'm rushing this video. So that is just it. Please, if this video is too fast or too slow, you have to bear with me. So that is it. What happened at this point? You notice we have a short-term swings on the 15-minute time frame to give us pullback setup. So during this pullback setup, look at what happened. However, during this process, we have the winning percentage arrow to be oversold. You getting what I'm saying? It's been oversold at this point. So what do? You look for 15 minutes engulfing candlestick. Let me delete this one. You set your stop loss below the swing low and you target at least 3 to 1. So do you see how this strategy is profitable and so much profitable? You understand what I'm saying? It's one of the most profitable strategy you can come across in the trading industry. Look at it being profitable. So this strategy is very simple. Let me come again. Conclusion. We go to the 4-hour chart. Remember, we are trading the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour candlestick. So once the 4-hour candlestick is bullish, we go to our 15-minute time frame and we look for a pullback setup. Like I said, once that is done, go to your 5M shift, or you use your 15M golfing. So do you see how this strategy is very simple? You use the 4-hour chart for your trend bias, and you use your 15-minute time frame to look for oversold condition or overbought condition to enter at the market. However, before the oversold condition is going to be given in the market, you have to make sure that your winning percentage arrow is oversold and your 15-minute short-term swings is showing a pullback direction. Imagine maybe we are trading at this point. Look at, we are trading at this. We are looking for this swing to buy from. Don't you know that it's going to be for we to buy at this point, because we do not have a 15 time frame to give us a bearish pullback like this. So you understand what I'm saying? So we should have bought at this point. That is not our strategy. So do you see how the strategy is profitable? So if you have anything with this video, please message me at the comment section, or you have any advice, message me. We see you in my next video.